The baobab trees of Madagascar, they're absolutely magical. Let me give you the full picture. Baobabs, Madagascar's tree of life. Madagascar is home to 6 out of the 9 known species of baobab trees in the world, and they grow nowhere else. These ancient, almost otherworldly trees are deeply woven into the island's ecology, culture, and identity. Sunrise Avenue of the Baobabs, located near Morondava on the west coast. A surreal stretch of giant baobabs lining a dirt road, especially breathtaking at sunset when the trees cast long shadows and glow golden. It's one of the most photographed places in Madagascar and often called the natural cathedral. Why they're so special: some trees are over 1,000 years old. Their trunks can hold thousands of liters of water, helping them survive long dry seasons, hence the nickname Tree of Life. Locals use parts of the tree for food, medicine, fiber, and even shelter. Cultural importance. In Malagasy belief, baobabs are often considered sacred. Some communities believe the trees contain spirits or act as bridges between worlds. There are even love baobabs, 2 intertwined trees said to symbolize eternal love. Conservation. Baobabs face threats from deforestation, climate change, and land use changes. Some ancient trees are dying in unusual patterns. Scientists are still trying to understand why. The baobab trees of Madagascar have a fascinating growth process, deeply adapted to the island's unique and often harsh environment. Here's how they grow up. 1. Germination. Baobab seeds are hard and tough, and often need to pass through animal digestive systems, like lemurs or cattle, to soften and germinate. In nature, germination is triggered by rainfall, especially after the dry season. 2. Seedling stage baobabs grow very slowly in their early years. Young baobabs look like thin saplings, quite unlike their future massive form. They need protection from grazing animals and fire at this stage. 3. Growth over time. Once established, the tree starts to develop its signature, thick, water-storing trunk. They grow slowly but can live for over 1,000 years. Their trunks swell with age, storing water during the wet season to survive long dry periods. Water storage adaptation. The trunk is spongy and fibrous, allowing it to store thousands of liters of water. This is crucial in Madagascar's dry western and southern regions, where water is scarce. Flowering and pollination. Baobabs bloom with large white flowers, usually at night. These are pollinated by bats, lemurs, or insects, depending on the species. Fruit and seed dispersal. The tree produces baobab fruit, sometimes called monkey bread, rich in vitamin C and fiber. Animals eat the fruit and spread the seeds across the landscape. Ecological role. Baobabs are keystone species, supporting birds, insects, mammals, and even humans. They provide shade, shelter, and resources in otherwise dry, open areas.